Hey guys, hope y'all doing well. I got a service call I'm heading to today in this video, and apparently it is a Trane system is what I've been told, and they said it ain't acting right. So we're gonna head out and bring y'all along and see what we find. Y'all stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? I am here on a service call and we're looking at this Trane system right here, guys. It is a Trane XR heat pump. It's only a year old. And the complaint is that it's short cycling. So I'm gonna go flip it on and see if or see what it does, because the homeowner says he's not sure there's anything wrong with it. I think it was his dad that said there was an issue with it. He heard it short cycling, but the son, the homeowner, isn't so sure. So we're going to find out right here in a second who's right. So y'all stay tuned. All right. So it is on heat. What in the world? There we go. So it is on heat. 68. Satisfied. So we'll bump it up and put it on 72. There she goes. Let's step outside. Before I head outside, guys, I noticed this return was sucking really hard. But it's only a 14 by 14. Filter is clean. Stay in there. It is right at the system too, so just making sure that wasn't an issue. All right, so it is not running. So let's wait for it to kick back on, see how long it runs for. All right guys, I watched it for several minutes and it never came back on, so I pulled my disconnect. So let's pop it open and see what's going on and see what issue we might have here. The contactor's not pulled in. Let's see if we're getting a call for the outdoor unit. We have no call. Hold on. Y'all see that? Hopefully. No call for the outdoor unit. So we either got a problem at the thermostat or at the air handler, but as of right now, it's looking like we don't have a problem out here. I'm gonna put my probes on it and see what the standing pressure is. And because usually when it's short cycling, it's usually a pressure switch issue. So let's I'm gonna put my probes on it and see if it is low standing pressure or see what it looks like. I heard a little bit of psst, so there's something in it. Standing pressure 175, 174, so it's definitely not the low pressure switch. Let's head up and look at the air handler and thermostat. All right, guys, here's our indoor unit. Conveniently in the closet. Like that. Pull out these low voltage wires. Let's see if we're getting a call right here. Well, just shut down on me. I mean, it's only 71, unless this ain't reading correctly. It must have satisfied. Let me bump it on up. There we go. No call right here either, guys. There we go. So, looking like thermostat at the moment. Let's see if our reversing valve is calling. No reversing valve either. Actually, hold on one second. Let's shut it down, and then we'll do some bypassing. Alright guys, I tried to go to the thermostat, but the way that thermostat is, I'm unable to take it off the wall. Because the piece that pulls, it's a little bit different. The piece that pulls off, the wires are connected to that. So I come back in here, I just want to jump R to Y and see if I can get the outdoor unit to even just pop on. I think I have the disconnect out, but I thought I heard the contactor click. Let's go make sure. All right, yes, our contactor is pulled in. Let's throw in our disconnect and make sure it pops on. When it does, blower motor probably ain't running. yet. Okay, well guys, it's most certainly looking like a thermostat. Alright guys, after looking at it a little further, I have found that it is the thermostat, and it's a Trane. I ain't seen this Trane thermostat before, but I'll definitely figure out which one it is and learn more about it. But in any case, probably going to end up warrantying this. See if the client wants us to do it, or if he's going to have who installed it done it. I don't know what they'll choose to do, but in the meantime, I'm just putting them on just a standard T721 Pro thermostat, at least for the time being, so they can still have their system operating. So that's what we're doing now. We're just going to pop this plate off, mount the new one up real quick, and make sure everything's running good. Get the screw out here. All right, let's get our new back plate mounted. All right, put in the red first. Anyone's all right. And our G wire, which is green, it's for our fan. All right, here we go. Let's program it, make sure it's set up right. On, heat pump, yes. AG off. Oops. All right, we're ready to go. All right, guys, got a power back on, got everything back going. I got it on cool. It's pretty warm out today, so I got the thermostat done inside here. So let's head back out to the outdoor unit, make sure it's calling now, and check that refrigerant charge. All right, guys, the contactor is pulled in. Voila. Alright, got it in cool mode. Let's check those pressures. Looking good at first. We'll let it run, of course. Then we'll flip it over to heat and make sure everything runs good with that too. Make sure we don't have a metering device problem. I've been bit with that before, not checking both sides of operation on a heat pump. You get bit with a metering device. It's not fun. All right, that is looking good for the ambient temp and the temperature inside, so we'll watch it and we'll flip it to heat. All right guys, just got finished up with that one. It is running properly after the thermostat change, and it's cooling and heating exactly how it should. Pressures look great. The client is going to keep that thermostat. He went ahead and just is going to purchase it, and he'll get a 5-year warranty with it, so that is good. He is a brand new maintenance customer, by the way. I didn't mention that, and he had 2 other systems that I didn't film, but very nice house. That was actually like a little barn dominium type thing that had that Trane system, but it's back going. The other 2 systems were running great, and yeah, I'm glad I was able to get y'all some film. But anyway guys, we will see you on the next call. Thanks for watching.